In this video, we are going to write a program to play a guessing number game. We would try to guess a number between 1 and 10. If the number is right, then we win. Otherwise, we keep on trying. In doing so, we will learn how to make a decision, how to compare the result, and then if the result is wrong, then how do we keep on trying for the next attempt. Let's get started. The very first step is to write our goal. The goal is this program is to guess a number between 1 and 10. What would be our input? The input will be any number between 1 and 10. What would be the output? If number is correct, then we win. Else, try one more time. Let's get started. The very first thing is to guess the number. From the program side, we have to randomly select a number. How do we select a random number? We have to take use of random module. The way to do it is import random. That is the module we have to import, and then we can say random index equal to random, that is a module, and then we invoke a function from that module, that is nothing but random init, and then we provide a kind of range from 1 and 10. Let us see what is the random number that has been selected or given by the random init. We can print it. F is for format, and we can say random index equal to, and as we are printing variable, it is curly brackets, and let's see. So here we can run it again, and now we can see it is randomly selecting one number out of it. But now this is the number we do not want our user to see, because this is the number we want to guess it. The next part is we want to keep on trying until the number is matched. So first step is to keep on trying. So that one can be achieved by saying while true. While true means it will just keep on trying, and then we can say what is our condition where we are guessing the number, right? So we have to ask user, please enter your guess number. So that is, you can say guess number is equal to, because we are doing the whole number, is going to be int, and then we have input, enter your guess number, whatever you want to guess. Then that one has gone into guess number. We can print it just to see that user has guessed number. So basically user has guessed this number. That is what we are printing. Let's see, and then what we are saying is if it is matching with our random index, because that is what we have programmatically selected. This can be done with a better name, so we can call it now program selected random number, because this is what it actually represents. So program has selected a random number and user has entered a guess number. We can also correct or improvise on this, that is user entered number. So whatever user has entered, we are printing. So now we have to check if the user entered number is same as the selected random number. If that is the match, then we win. Otherwise, we try one more time. That is the logic and that is the program we are going to write. So we have to write the if condition. So syntax for the if is if, and then we are comparing if user selected number, and when we want to do comparison, if equal to, we have to write 2 equal to. Then we are saying if it is same as program selected number, then we have semicolon, then we have indentation, and we are saying print you win, correctly guessed number equal to, and we are saying that this was guessed properly. If it is not, then there is else, and then we have semicolon, then we have indentation. This is the indentation, and we are going to say if you missed, better luck next time. And then we continue because we do not want to just guess one time. We want to keep trying. That is why there is a while true, because then this will be executed and it will come here. It will try again because this is where it is trying. Just one more thing to improvise over here is the requirement is when you win, you do not want to keep on trying. You want to just exit, and that exit is nothing but you can call something called as break. So that is the keyword. It breaks the while loop. So this is what the program looks like. Let's run and see. What is our guess number? We can say 4. User has guessed 4. So this is while true over here. We missed it, right? So now we want to guess one more time, and then we can say 5. Is it 5? Oh, still is not. Is it 1? Still not. Is it 2? Still not. Looks like I don't know where that number is. We just keep on trying. Is it 3? No. Is it 4? Is it 6? We did, right? Oh, 7. Okay, so after so many iterations, we could see it's a lucky number 7. So that is how we can see that we are able to randomly select a number, and then programmatically we are trying indefinitely until user has guessed the number right. Thank you.